I'm Lenka.
And I'm Abby.
And we're
Lights, Camera, English.
The British talk about the weather all the time, and I sometimes feel like a weather idiot.
Oh, well, don't feel like a weather idiot. Just learn some weather idioms.
How are you today?
I'm as right as rain. How about you?
I'm under the weather.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is it funny?
No, I'm sorry. It's not funny. I love how English you're becoming. You're even using the weather to talk about how you feel.
Well, unlike you.
Yes, okay. I'm as right as rain. I feel great. Okay.
I don't feel so great.
No, under the weather. I'm sorry.
Well, I can handle it.
But it's really interesting how many English idioms actually use weather. Weather words.
Like a storm in a teacup.
Yes. Or the calm before the storm.
Right.
I propose a race.
A race?
Yes, we have 5 minutes to find as many weather idioms as possible.
All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
Go!
Ready?
Yes, you go first.
Okay. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Nice. Yes. And that means?
That there is always something positive, even in a bad situation.
Right. Very nice. What else?
I thought we would take turns.
Oh, okay. Well, I have a confession. I wrote a story.
A story?
Yes. Well, I found a few.
About?
About... should I just read it for you?
Okay.
Okay. Paul is always chasing rainbows. He likes to succeed come rain or shine. One day he got wind of a great opportunity at work. He was nervous, but he threw caution to the wind and applied, even though he knew Annabelle was also applying. He planned his interview carefully and made a joke at the beginning to break the ice. He got the job and started working in his new office, but very soon he was snowed under. So much work. He had to prepare a big presentation to show off everything he was working on. But on the day of the presentation, he was feeling so under the weather that he had to take a rain check and put the presentation on ice. Annabelle, however, did her presentation and it was a big success. She totally stole his thunder. And now she's on cloud 9.
That's really good.
Thank you.
Well, let me see. I know some of them. So, Paul is always chasing rainbows.
Yep.
Meaning he's always trying to do things that might be unrealistic.
Yes.
He likes to succeed, come rain or shine, whatever the situation, every time. One day, he got wind of a great opportunity. Got wind of?
Oh, to get wind of something is to hear it, not necessarily through the official routes, but just maybe secrets. You get wind of these things.
Okay, so he learned about a great opportunity. He was nervous, but he threw caution to the wind. Decided to go for it.
Yes, even if it seemed reckless and crazy.
Okay, and applied even though he knew Annabelle was also applying. He planned his interview carefully and made a joke at the beginning to break the ice.
Yes.
To make the situation friendlier, warmer.
Easier to start.
Okay. He got a job. Yay. And started working in his new office. But very soon, he was snowed under. I thought he was working in an office.
He is.
And then they sent him outside and it started snowing?
No. To be snowed under is to have so much work you can barely cope.
So much work. Yeah, that's the next sentence.
Well.
He was snowed under. So much work. He had to prepare a big presentation to show off everything he was working on. But on the day of the presentation, he was feeling so under the weather.
Oh.
That he had to take a rain check. A frame check?
To cancel or postpone something.
Okay. And put the presentation on ice.
Yeah. To kind of freeze
Store it in the fridge?
Yeah. to stop it, to put it on hold, to freeze it and defrost later.
Annabelle, however, she did her presentation and it was a big success. She totally stole his thunder.
Totally took the attention away from him.
Which made him depressed. While she is on cloud 9.
Yes.
So happy on cloud 9.
Deliriously happy.
Wow.
What do you think?
It's really good.
Thank you. Do I win?
Yes.
Oh.
So that was it.
Don't forget to like our video
And subscribe to our channel.
for more great videos.
And if you want to download the transcript
Lesson notes,
or some extra goodies,
then head over to our website.